How to fix Instagram message schedule option not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever tried to schedule a message on Instagram only to find that the option is not showing? Don't worry, you are not alone on this. In today's video, I'll walk you through some quick and easy solution to fix this issue and get your Instagram scheduling feature up and running. Now without further ado, let's get started. But before we jump into the fixes, let's quickly understand why this might be happening. The scheduling option may not show because your Instagram may be outdated, your account type doesn't support message scheduling, or there might be some glitches in your app, or you might not have connected your account to the Meta Business Suite if required. Now, let's get to the fixes. So the first thing you should do is check if your Instagram app is up to date. And here is how. You simply need to open your Play Store or App Store and search for the Instagram. And if there is any update button, simply tap on it to install the latest version. An outdated app may cause missing features, so this step might fix the issue instantly. The scheduling option is typically available for professional accounts. So if you are using a personal account, here is how you can switch it. Go to your Instagram profile and tap the three dash icon shown in the top right corner. And in the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on account type and tools. Now tap on switch to professional account and follow the prompts to set up a business or a creator account. And once done, you should have access to more features including message scheduling. If you still don't see the scheduling option, try using Meta Business Suite app. And here is how. Download the Meta App Business Suite from your App Store. And once you have downloaded that, log in with the same credential as your Instagram account in the app. And after that, navigate to the inbox section to manage and schedule message. Meta Business Suite is designed for professional accounts, so it often includes features that the Instagram app may not. But if the problem persists, it could be due to the glitch in the app. Try clearing the cache or reinstall the Instagram. To do that, simply go to your phone settings, and once you have opened that, simply tap on apps. And in the app section, search for the Instagram and simply select that. And in this section, simply tap on clear cache and then restart the app. But if that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall Instagram, and this will refresh the app and resolve any temporary bugs. And as a last resort, you can contact the Instagram support if the problem still persists. To do that, you simply need to open the Instagram, and once you have opened that, simply go to the settings. From there, simply scroll to the bottom and tap on help. After that, tap on report or problem. And here you can explain the issue, including that the scheduling option isn't available, and the Instagram team may resolve the issue or guide you further. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the issue with Instagram message scheduling option not showing. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. If any of these mentioned tips and tricks worked for you, you can drop them in the comments below and I would love to hear them and react with you guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.